Take your PBX to the next level. Get more benefits with VitalPBX add-ons. With VitalPBX's rebranding module, you can quickly and affordably brand your company's phone system with your look and feel. This easy-to-use tool offers a wide range of customization options so you can create a phone system that perfectly represents your business. Upload your logos, change colors, application names, login screen, and more. Additionally, if you're a Carrier Plus CC license holder, change the Sonata Suite and Vitsi names as well. VitalPBX is the final solution for your business that looks for an effective PBX phone system. Don't believe me? Well, try it out today. We've got a community version that'll give you a head start and the chance to try all of the features to get to know everything that VitalPBX is capable of. Download and install it today.